And the Avalon Peninsula is bracing for a winter storm today. NTV meteorologist Eddie Shear is outside where the snow is supposed to start this afternoon. Eddie, what can you tell us about the coming weather?
Hi, thank you very much, Michael. Well, as you can see, it hasn't started yet here on the northern part of the Avalon Peninsula and in the metro, but it certainly is on the way. Environment Canada has issued a snowfall warning for the Avalon Peninsula for the heavy snowfall, which will commence around 2 o'clock and end by about midnight. Now, getting a look at the latest satellite and radar imagery, we can see that snowfall is working its way up onto the Burin Peninsula and currently onto the southwest Avalon, and that will continue to overspread the eastern third of the island as we go into the rest of the day, with the heaviest snow more than likely arriving just in time for our commute home. As far as temperatures go, we are looking at minus single numbers across the region right now. As far as in St. John's, temperatures holding near -2 at the airport. Some other locations around -1 or freezing, but once the snow starts, temperatures will hold near -1 or -2. It is going to be a bit of a wet snow this evening as well. Now, as far as what we can expect timing-wise, again, the snow will develop over the next couple of hours in the metro, and it will pretty much be done with by about midnight. The heaviest looks like it's going to fall between 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon and about 9 or 10 o'clock this evening. So your commute home is certainly going to be rather messy. And it also looks like more flurries are on the way for tomorrow. So the question on everyone's mind is, how much are we going to see? And the snowfall map should give you a pretty good idea as to what we can expect. Snowfall-wise, we are talking about 15 to 25 centimeters across the eastern half of the Avalon and the southwest Avalon. That includes Metro St. John's. Now, some computer model guidance is generally clustered around 15 or 20, but the possibility exists up to 25, which is why I have that in there. Looks like the northern part of the Avalon, Conception Bay North, Bay Roberts, Carbonear area, we're probably talking amounts closer to 10 or 15 centimeters. And same thing as we look onto the Burin Peninsula and back towards the Clarenville area. And then once we get west of there, we're talking 5 to 10 centimeters for the Eastport Peninsula, Terra Nova area, back to the Conagra region. And then west of that area, do not expect much in the way of snowfall today, as this is pretty much a low that will predominantly affect the eastern side of the island. Now, coming up on the evening news hour tonight, I'll talk more about what we can expect as we get into this evening. Looks like a bit more snowfall on the way for Tuesday as well, a little bit more. And a busier system, or I should say a stronger low, may arrive for the beginning of the weekend. But we're going to focus tonight on more than likely what's happening now, which is not a whole lot. Some peaks of sun shining out here. But again, the snow is on the way. We'll start in the metro within a couple of hours, and it'll become very heavy at times as we head into this evening. And the evening commute is certainly going to be very messy. So if you can give yourself a bit of extra time to get home, or maybe even leave a bit early from work if you can, that might not be a bad idea. Michael, back to you.
Thank you very much, Eddie. That's Eddie Shear reporting live this afternoon.